right behind it. So once we finish this, we just take it over there and we'll finish the interior and stuff like that. So, and we have a lot of cottages. This is one of our cottages.
Yeah.
And this is one side of it.
Do you guys do mobile homes too, or just
no,
you just modular? So you don't mix the materials like some other places
no,
might.
That's like R&L and a lot of other Fleetwood and stuff does that. So
yeah,
as
I
you can
heard.
see, the homes like this one. They built this like on-site built homes, so this has 2x6 exterior walls.
Yeah, I've heard the 2x6.
Everything is 16 on center, even the rafters. So a lot of homes do 24 on center. We have built our homes extremely strong. So even the rafters, you can see everything is 16 on center. So we place 16 inches apart.
Ooh, this is so cool.
Sturdy homes.
I can't believe this is you guys are here. Wow. Awesome, awesome. So like the inspections and stuff, they're done right here as you're building it?
So what we do is we use NTA, which is a third-party inspector. So before the homes are shipped out, they're inspected based on, like yours will be inspected based on North Carolina state codes.
Okay.
So before it leaves the plant, it will have the stamp of approval to NTA and the state of North Carolina. So once you set out the home, you just have to have the local inspector come.
Yeah.
But if it's inspected by NTA, you should be good. So.
Okay.
So all of our plans are inspected by NTA before we even build them. So,
what is the time frame right now? You guys are busy or like?
Well, we're getting busier. It was a slow winter time, but
the
the past 2 weeks I got about 6 or 7 orders.
Oh my goodness.
So we're about eight weeks.